All right, we're going to do two things today. I'm going to show you one, a shortcut on the way to find how to find a Word document in case you've saved it in the wrong spot. Then I'm going to open up the world of Wordle, if you will, and show you how to make a Wordle. So first things first, let's say you're doing a Word document on Tuesday. You come into the classroom on Wednesday and you can't find your Word document. It's not in your 21st century folder on your home directory, which is on the server at Milford. By mistake, you saved it somewhere else. If you're using the same computer, here's what you can do. You can open up Word, and then when Word opens up completely, if you go to File and then scroll down, you will see all of the documents that you've used recently. When you click on your document, there it is. All right. Also, what I want to show you is it'll tell you the location too. So notice Wordle, if I hold it right over top of it, there's a pathway or directory. It's in my home drive, or my home directory, 6th grade, 21st century, Wordle. So the Wordle documents in my 21st century folder in 6th grade. Bridgewater, I know it's you. I'll get you after the lesson. So, right? It's amazing. All you have to do is watch the body language. For those of you who are listening to the screencast, somebody's phone just went off. His name is Bridgewater. I know his parents. I know how to find him. I will have to edit this part of the video. All right. So here we go. Here's your Wordle. Who's not done with their Wordles yet? Raise your hands. All right. With the word listing and all of the words. Who is done? All right. If you're done, and I don't know that this is going to work today, you're going to go and you're going to take all of the words that describe you, and mine are kind of brief, and you will just copy them. And then you're going to go to wordle.net. I put the link for Wordle. Actually, I'm going to do it right now. I'm putting the link for Wordle on Edmodo. There it is. Wordle. Beautiful word clouds. All right. There's two ways to create. I showed you yesterday that you could go through and you can type in a word. I'm being very literal right now. All right. And then I'll type in a thing. Which word in the word cloud will be bigger? Yes. Word, correct. When I click go, you might have to run this time. Click run this time. Don't do the update. And in theory, your word, or I should say Wordle, should appear. There we go. All right. I've got a big word and a smaller thing here. So you have a lot of different ways you can edit this. You can go to layout and color. This is pretty much anything that you've used before. All right. You can align them any which way. You can change the color. This is like any other pull-down menu that you've used. It's pretty straightforward. All right. That's the hard way to do it. If you want to have a really busy Wordle with lots of words and you want a lot of different size variants from one word to another, you'd be typing the same word over 10 times, then 8 times. I showed you a better way to do it last time, and it's called the way we do it is by using the Advanced tab. Here's the Advanced tab. All right. When you go to the Advanced tab, you have to use this format. The word, colon, and then the size. So I've already copied to my clipboard from my Word document what I was doing with my Wordle. All right. Ignore in Google Chrome when it doesn't recognize a word, it's going to underline it. Just as long as you know you've spelled it correctly, you're fine. You click go, run this time. There it is. All right. You can edit it. You can make it look pretty. You can do whatever you want to do with it. All right. I do not want you today to click Save to Public Gallery. I want you to experiment with the actual Wordle. And there's a reason, and I'm going to click on it right now to show you. When you click Save to Public Gallery, it comes up as untitled and anonymous. Since this is a Web 2.0 tool, and since it is public, I don't want you putting in any information that would lead anybody to who you are or your first or last name, anything specific where you would give out too much information about yourself. We've already got your name on there. Should your last name be on the Wordle? No. All right? So don't go that far. When we actually publish the Wordle, which we will, we'll do it together, and I'll give you specific directions as far as how to do it.